about the progress of the Ukraine counteroffensive, President Volodymyr Zelensky acknowledged that the battlefield progress has been slower than desired. This comes after weeks into Ukraine's military offensive to recapture areas occupied by Russia. Zelensky, however, added that Ukrainian forces will not be pressured into speeding up. Ukrainian forces are being slowed in their advance by vast minefields laid by Russian forces. Zelensky told BBC in an interview on Wednesday. With some 200,000 square kilometers of Ukrainian frontier territory littered with Russian landmines, the Ukrainian leader said that at stake is people's lives. Confirming that Ukrainian forces had retaken 8 villages in the south and east of the country, Zelensky also said that Ukraine would never negotiate while Russian forces remain on Ukraine's territory and that the conflict would not be allowed to stagnate. Some people believe this is a Hollywood movie and expect results now. It is not, Zelensky strongly added. His adversary, Russian President Vladimir Putin, said Moscow had observed a lull in Ukraine's counteroffensive, which began early this month. Although Ukraine still had some offensive potential, Kyiv understood it had no chance, Putin said in televised remarks. The West has already given Ukraine tens of billions of dollars worth of military equipment, including hundreds of tanks and armored vehicles that form the core of the force it is set to unleash in its counteroffensive. Some of Ukraine's supporters worry that Kyiv will have to show impressive results on the battlefield in coming weeks or risk political support waning in the West. Both sides have stepped up longer-range attacks with missiles and drones in preparation for the fighting at the front. Russia said on Wednesday that it had shot down drones that had reached the region surrounding Moscow. Kyiv never comments on reports of attacks inside Russia.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.